What is going on, you guys? Jay here with Clutch Detailing and Jay's Mobile Detailing. I hope you've been having a wonderful day so far. God bless you, by the way. I just wanted to kind of jump straight into this. I'm detailing a Kia Sorento for only interior. We booked the exterior as well, but I decided it's going to rain tomorrow. I don't want to charge them that money just for it to last only like 12 hours. So I wanted to go ahead and show you a little bit of couple like snippets of the process of me detailing this car, but also the main takeaway is my Malco Clean and Shine. I absolutely love this stuff. I mainly use it in my Harbor Freight air gun that I have laying around here somewhere, but I just wanted to kind of show that off while also do a very small comparison of using that within a spray bottle and the difference between the two and the reason why I prefer using an air gun. So enough talking, let's jump into it. So the first thing I'm always going to do is always touch up the center console first. You've seen my other videos, that's what I like to do. So I'm going to use my Tornador gun, my all-purpose cleaner, my Serrano sauce, which is either Purple Power or Super Clean, whichever one you prefer. 10:1 diluted with 5 drops of Dawn dish soap, and then also my Mchulloch 1385 steamer. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm also going to use my toilet bowl drill brush, which if you need to know all the tools and chemicals that I use, they're down in the description. So right now I have the Malco in a spray bottle. This is just it, just straight, there's no dilution. And then I also have the same Malco Clean and Shine in my HVLP, my high volume, low pressure air gun from Harbor Freight. So let's go ahead and see. I know most people will go ahead and just spray first and then wipe it in. And the only reason I prefer using my air gun is because like it's kind of smearing everywhere. And I don't like, I'm working it in and everything and it looks phenomenal. I absolutely love it. Customers always love it. It doesn't have like a strong smell and it leaves like a nice satin finish. So that's it right there. And it looks phenomenal just like that. And if you want to use it within just a regular spray bottle like this, by all means, go ahead and do it. And this is my Easy Fill Sprayer by Zepp. I absolutely love this sprayer just because of the bigger bottom base. So let's go ahead and test it out with my air gun and see the difference between laying it down whenever it comes to applying this. So the only reason, I know I already sound like a broken record, but again, I love using this just because it's just so easy to spray and it gets into everything. So here you go. And after that, I just work it in. And it's just that simple, that easy. It gets into all the crevices rather than having to spray it in and then having to hopefully, you know, get it worked into like areas like this. It's already like that, just one pass through already dressed everything. And it's just so much easier to apply. And this is the reason why I don't really mind using the air gun on door panels, just because I know some people are worried about getting overspray on here, and honestly, guys, it's just super minimal. Look. That's it. The whole entire door is now dressed, and this is the overspray right there. And since this is water-based, all it takes is just simply wiping with the window, and even then the window is going to be clean and detailed after this whole entire job is done, because I hope, like everybody else, cleans windows last, just because you're getting dust everywhere, you got debris everywhere, whether you're doing interior or exterior. But it's super minimal. It does not do any damage to any like tint. It's water based. There's no issues at all. I've never had an issue with applying this, and I prefer this over doing this and then just kind of hoping that I get into every little crevice and then having to work it in, and then there's just like a little bit too much. I don't like doing this anymore. Once you get like a air gun and you start using it and you start applying dressing, whether it be for exterior or interior, you're going to realize it goes so much faster, so much smoother whenever you're applying everything. You don't have all these issues of having to, like this, trying to really work it in, and you got some dripping from certain areas and whatnot. It's just so much easier to use an air gun. Once I tried it out, because I used to worry about all this stuff of the interior and the overspray, but once you really dial in the gun, then you won't have those types of issues. But it's just this easy. I feel like an infomercial right now. But yeah, this is it. It's super easy to apply. And you don't have to just use Malco Clean and Shine. You could use any product. Excuse me. I always prefer using anything water-based, just because if you use anything silicone-based, it might gunk up your gun. You'll have to clean it more often after every detail. And water-based is just easier to use. It's easier to dilute and everything. So there you go. Okay, well, here you go, guys. Here are those before and after shots like I promised. And I just gotta say, before ending this video, thank you so much for helping me break 100 subscribers and pretty soon breaking 200 just in a month and a half. Seriously, you guys have been so supportive and so kind to me, and I'm absolutely grateful to have followers just like you. And so I just want to say, if you have any questions in regards to my detailing process, or just having a detailing business, or if you're just a DIYer, feel free to ask away. This isn't a trade secret. I'm more than happy to help you with anything that I can. But nonetheless, with this detail, the customer loved it, I loved it, and I got that 5-star review to close out this deal. So like usual, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.